start with this. This long pipe comes to the side. This is to the top, and you will not be able to mix this with this because they are different size. So comes like this. You can feel it's nice and snug. Top. You can mix these two because they are exactly the same size, same length, and this facing upwards, so the rubber part up and the plastic part down, like this. And there's a small lip here. This goes at the top, this to the bottom. It's nice and snug. It's not going anywhere. You can see I can hold it. Done. And last part. This is just a ring. You can see it's inside there. All done. Before you tighten this with one hand, and with another hand adjust this so it doesn't come out like this.